Hello and welcome to this video on JavaScript syntax. JavaScript syntax is a set of rules or guidelines you should implement when writing JavaScript code. These rules are in no particular order. Rule number 1. JavaScript is case sensitive. For example, food with uppercase F and food with all lowercase are not the same. Rule number 2. Use relevant casing with names. Use lowercase for variable names, e.g. my account. Use camel case for objects, classes, and functions, e.g. my account. It is called camel case because it resembles the hump of a camel. Use uppercase for constants, e.g. my account. Constants are values that should not change. Rule number 3. Use semicolons to end statements, e.g. variable fruit equals apple. Statements are what comprises of JavaScript code. So a JavaScript code can contain one statement or a bunch of statements. Rule number 4. JavaScript ignores white spaces, but white spaces are good for the humans. It enables them to read code properly. All these examples will work because JavaScript does not care about white spaces. White spaces are characters in computing that represents horizontal or vertical spaces. So you can see some spaces here. These are horizontal, and then these are vertical spaces. In this video, I covered JavaScript syntax. In the next video, I will be talking about how to add JavaScript to your web pages. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.